Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 7G Loan Flower Staff. So project description is in this project you will create a name range and use to set the data validations. You will use to PMT function to calculate the value and then use to variable data table and you will enter the VLOOKUP function to return the value from a tables and format the cells in the workbooks. You will also audit worksheets, correct error, use the match and index function. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So we move to the main project step and total step is 18. So step number 1 is open the file Excel 7G Loan Flower Staff Access downloaded with this project. Go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel 7G Floor Staff Revenue. Floor Staff. So question number 1 is complete. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is display the second warehouse payment table in a cell B8. Enter a PMT function using the cell B4 divided by 12 as the table in cell B3 as the number of payment period and cell B2 as the presence value of the loan. Display the result as the positive numbers. So display the second second worksheet warehouse payment tables. Go to the Excel worksheets and first is warehouse purchases and second is warehouse payment tables. So in the cell FB8, B8 in the PMT function, go to the cell B8, select the cell is B8 and insert the PMT function using the cell B4 divided by 12 as the rate, cell B3 as the number of payment period and cell B2 is the present value of the loan. Display the result as the positive numbers. Select the cell is B8, type is equal to and type the PMT function and select the cell is B4 divided by 12 apply a comma and select the cell is B3 apply the comma minus B2 and close bracket and press enter. So the result is 10503 3.19. We showed the present value the loan and display the positive number. So display the positive number and press enter. Sorry, move the positive number and press enter. So question number 2 is complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is create a two variable data table in the range BA to S16. Set the cell B3 as the row input cell and cell B4 is the column input cell. From the cell style gallery, apply the currency cell style in the range C92 to S16 and select the payment option closest to the but the less than 1000 per month for the 120 months loan in cell BD50 and format the option with the node cell style and click the select in the cell A1 is save your workbook. Create a two variable data table in the range BA to H16. Copy the range, go to the Excel sheet and paste the range, press enter. So select the range BA to H16 and set the cells B3 as the row input cell and cell B4 is the column input cell. Set the cell is B3 is the row input cell and cell B4 is the column input cell. So go to the insert tabs, so go to the data tabs and go to the for cost groups. Click the what if analysis and click the data table. So open the data table dialog box and set the cell B3 as row input cell. So select the row input cell is B3. B3 is the row input cell and B4 is the column input cell. Select the column input cell is B4. B4 is column input cell. The cell is B4 is column input cell and click OK. So the result and next is format the cell style gallery. Apply the currency cell style to the range C9 to H16 and select the payment option closest to but then 1000 per month for a 120-month loan cell D50 and format the option with the node cell style. Click or select the cell A1 and save your workbook. So copy the range C6 to H16 to the Excel worksheet and select the range, the center. So select the range C9 to H16 and apply the currency cell styles. Go to the home tabs and go to the number groups and click the currency and click OK. So apply the currency cell style and next is 1000 per month, 120 and D50 and format the node cell style and click or select cell A1 and save your workbook. D D50 by the node cell styles. The node cell styles, go to the home tab and go to the style group and apply the node cell style. Apply the node cell styles and click or select the A1 and save your workbook. A1 and save your workbook. So question number 3 is a complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is display the fourth worksheets job information. Select the range A4 to C11 and then sort the range by job codes in the settings order by using the create from selection command. Create a range name and job code using the data in the range A4 to A11. Click or select cell A1. So display the fourth worksheet's job information. Display the fourth worksheet's job information. Fourth worksheet in the job informations and select the range A4 to C11 and then sort the range job code in the settings order and by using the create from selection job code using the data in the range A4 to A11 and click or select cell A1. Go to the job information worksheets and select the range A4 to C11. So copy the range and paste the range A4 to C11, press enter. And next is and then sort the range by job code in the settings order. Sort the range, go to the data tabs, go to the sort groups and click the sort the range by job code. The job code is the settings order. Job code is settings order by using the create from a selection to create the range name using the data range A4 to A11 and click or select the cell A1 and click OK. Next is by using the creator from a selection command, create a rename job code using the data in the range A4 to A11. So copy the range, go to the acceleration and paste the range, press enter and create array name as job code. Copy the job code and create the name ranges, paste the range name, press enter. And using the data in the range A4 to A11. A4 to A11 and click or select cell A1 and save your workbook. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is display the stuffing plan worksheet and then select the range A9 to A18. Create a data validation list with the source. Display the stuffing plan worksheets and then select the ranges A9 to A18. Create the data validation list with the source is equal to name ranges job code. Display the stuffing plan worksheets. Go to the stuffing plan worksheets and then select the ranges A9 to A18. So copy the range, go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter. So select the ranges A9 to A18 and create the data validation list with the source equal to the name ranges job code. Go to the data tabs and go to the data tool groups, click the data validations. Data validation list allow is to data validation list and sources. Create the data validation list with the source is equal to the name ranges job code. So type is equal to and type the job code is equal to and type job code and click OK. So question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is question number 6 is click or select the cell A9 and click or select the list arrow and then select the M-AMG. Click or select cell B9 to make it the active cells and then insert the VLOOKUP function that will look up the description of the jobs code in the cell A9. Description of the job code cell A9 using the information job information worksheet as a table array. After selecting the table array, be sure to press F4 and make the absolute cell reference. The description to be looked up is in the column 2 of the table array. So select the cell is A9. Cell is A9 and select the list arrow and select the M-AMG. Select the M-AMG and next is click or select the cell B9 to make the active cell and insert the VLOOKUP function that the lookup the description of the job code in the cell A9 using the information in the job information worksheet as the table array. Click or select the cell is B9 to make the in the active cell and then insert the VLOOKUP function that will look up the description of the job code in a cell and using the information in the job information worksheets is the table. Select the cell is B9 and make in the active cell in the insert the VLOOKUP function, and description is the job code in a cell A9. So type is equal to and type the VLOOKUP function. So insert the VLOOKUP function, select the cell is A9, type a comma, and go to the job informations A4 to C11, go to the job information worksheet, and A4 to C11, 4 to C11, a comma and 2 close bracket and press enter. So the result is assistant managers, and after the selecting the table, be sure and efforts make the absolute cell reference the description to lookup in column 2 and table array. So the 2 in the column array and press enter. So the result is assistant manager. So question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, with the cell B9 is the active cell, and copy the VLOOKUP formula down through cell B8, B18 in the cell C9, type 3 as the hash of position, and in the cell D9 type the management as the type. With the cell B9 is the active cell, so select the cell is B9, the active cell, and copy the formula down through B8 in a cell C9, type 3 the position, and D9 is to type the management. So select the cell is B9 and copy the VLOOKUP function down through B18. Down through B18, copy the formula in a B18 in the cell C9, type 3. Select the cell is C9 is type 3 and press enter. And next is and cell in the D9 is to the management. Copy the management in cell D9, cell is D9, and press enter is management. So question number 7 is complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is, in a cell E9 insert the VLOOKUP function to look up the salary of the job code in a cell A9 by using the information in the job information sheets as the table array. The salary is in column 3 of the table array, and copy the VLOOKUP formula in a cell E9 down through cell E18. In the cell E9, insert the VLOOKUP function. Select the cell is E9. Insert the VLOOKUP function to look up the salary of the job code in a cell A9 by using the information in the job information sheets as the table array. The salary is in column 3 of the table array. Copy the VLOOKUP formula in cell E9 down through cell E18. In the cell E9, so select the cell is E9. Insert the VLOOKUP function. Insert the VLOOKUP function the salary of the job code in the cell A9 by using the information in the job information worksheets at the table array. The salary in the column 3. Type is equal to and type the VLOOKUP function and select the cell is A9. Select the cell is A9 and prior comma and go to the job information worksheet and select the ranges A4 to C11 and A4 to C11 comma and type 3 close bracket and press enter. So the result is 4500 and copy the VLOOKUP formula in cell E9 through E18. Copy the formula E9 to E18. So question number 8 is complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is add the following stop position in cell A10, C10 and D10. A10, C10 and D10. So select the cell is A10, C10 and D10. A10 is S minus STR, S minus STR and next is 5. So hash of position is 5, type of 5, press enter and next is stock in cell D10. So copy the title and paste the title in D10 is stock and press enter. So question number 9 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignments and exam.